I wonder if there's a karate club in my new high school. I want to learn karate.
Hi, Coach Johnson. My name is Tom. I am a freshman at Rodriguez High School. I have a muscle disease called SMA, and I cannot go to school because I cannot get sick. I go to school on a remote. I was wondering if you would teach me karate so I could be in the karate club.
You can't be in karate club. You're a kid in a wheelchair.
I could literally do anything I wanted to you, and you couldn't do anything about it.
I don't want to fight you, but if I have to, I will.
Are you gonna do anything about it?
Oh my gosh, did you see that? That was so awesome.
I understand your concerns, Tom, but there are other ways to handle things if you're being bullied. Tell him or her to stop in a calm voice. If the person keeps bullying you, walk away and find an adult to help you stop the bullying once and for all.
Yeah, I'm sorry about the other day. I'm actually happy you're karate club.
Thanks.
But you gotta tell me, where did you learn that karate